Okay, so now on week 15 we're going to do Tuesday. I get my help pages. The first thing I'm looking for Tuesday is the simple subject, so it's who does the verb. I already labeled my verbs, so who knows Starkfield? You. That's the subject. Who knows Starkfield? You. That's the other subject. I know this is my verb. I have to decide if it's transitive or intransitive. Transitive means it takes a direct object. Intransitive means it does not. So this means it's done to something. That's what the T means in my mind. Verb done to something. You know what? Starkfield, Massachusetts. So that is a VT. You know what? The post office. So that is a VT. And now prepositional phrases. I know I don't have any because I didn't have any prepositions. Complements, direct objects. I must have one because they're both direct objects. To find it, I say subject, verb plus what? You know what? Starkfield, Massachusetts. So this is my DO. You know what? The post office. This is my other DO. And really, this should be verb. All of these are ones, and all of these are twos because they're a set, right? Indirect objects. I can't have one here because there's no words in between. Like it says, it's always between the verb and the direct object. Could be the, but I know that's not because it's an adjective. I can't have any predicate nominatives or predicate adjectives because they both follow intransitive verbs. I don't have any appositives. I don't have a noun of a direct address, so I'm on to complete subject. The simple subject plus all of its modifiers. Simple subject. Does anything describe you? Nope. So then the complete predicate is the verb plus all its modifiers. You know what? The post office. Now there's a reason I started with this one. It's because this one has the subordinate conjunction on the front of it. So this is not the main sentence. You know the post office is the main sentence because it's independent. Since this is dependent, it has to describe either the subject or the verb of this one. If you know Starkfield, Massachusetts does not describe what kind, which one, or how many of yous. It is describing sort of what they know. So this entire clause describes the verb of the first clause. That's why it gets underlined twice. Okay? And we're done with Tuesday.